Hi, in this one, we're going to be talking about conditional statements, or basically, we're going to be learning how to allow your programs to make decisions for themselves and give you a certain output. Now, to learn this, let's just take an example. Just imagine that you've gone out for shopping and you want to shop for a blue colored t-shirt. So, what is the basis or what are the conditions on the basis of which you'd actually make your buying decision? There's two basic conditions, at least for me, right? Number one, the t-shirt needs to be blue. Number two, the t-shirt has to be available in my size. So my what I would usually do is I'd pick up a t-shirt, I'd first check if it's blue. Well, okay. First condition is true or it's satisfied. Next, I would look at whether it is my own size. If that condition is satisfied, then I go ahead and buy it. But if I pick up a t-shirt that's not blue, then I instantaneously make a decision to not buy it. And if I pick up a t-shirt that's blue, but it's not available in my size, that also drives me to the decision to not buy it. So, in programming terms, let's use a flowchart to understand our decision making process on, let's say, writing a program to buy a blue colored t shirt in our own size. So, the first thing you do is pick up your t shirt. The next thing you'd check for a condition which says, is it blue? Now, if this condition is true or it is blue, then you go ahead to the next step. But if it is false, that is, if the t-shirt is not blue, then you directly just make your decision to not buy that t-shirt. Now, if it is blue, the next condition that you want to satisfy is it available in your own size? Or, is that condition true now? Right? After the first condition was true, you're going to your next condition that says, is it my own size? Now, if this condition is not true, if it is not available in your size, then you make the same decision again or another decision to not buy it. And if it is true, that is, if it is available in your size, you make a decision to buy it. Just like this, in Python, we write code to allow our programs to make decisions based on certain rules that we as programmers set before the program even runs, obviously because we code it, right? So let's take a look at some small Python program that I've written to explain this exact concept, and you could understand how the code is actually written. Now, the first way to write it would be pretty simple. Let's say you've got a variable called picked up t-shirt, and the construct that we use here is called the if-else construct. So if picked up t-shirt equals blue. Now in this case, there's something that you've not seen previously, which is the double equals symbol. Now this symbol basically means that you as a programmer are putting up a condition, or you are asking the program that if the picked up t-shirt is blue, you're asking the program that, is it really blue? Tell me, is it blue? If it is blue, then return true. If it is not blue, then return false. So this is one condition. So in this case, if picked up t-shirt is blue, then your program prints buy it, which is a decision that you make. Else, you just don't buy it, right? That's another decision that you make. Another way to write this would be if picked up t-shirt is blue or equals blue, and picked up t-shirt is your size. What does this mean? You've got two conditions and you're joining the two conditions using this AND keyword or an AND operator, which we'll be talking about in the next one. So don't worry if you don't completely understand the double equals or the AND. Right now, what I want you to understand is just the logic of this whole decision making process using if and else. So getting back to this, if picked up t-shirt is blue and picked up t-shirt is my size, if both of these conditions are true, only then you buy it, or else you don't buy it, right? So this is a very, very simple way to actually make decisions in your programs, and trust me, you're going to be using this more often than not, or actually more often than you even expect in your whole programming journey. So hang tight and make sure that you move on to the next one where we learn about how to form these conditions, because these conditions are the basis of actually making decisions in your programs. So I'll see you in the next one, And well, just have fun with Python. Go through the lecture slides or go through the lesson video again if you've not completely understood the concept, and drop your questions below in the comments so that I can get back to you ASAP and answer all of them in the most appropriate and simple way. Until then, have fun, and I'll see you in the next one.